we got? What size? Oh. Jab me in the face now, eh?
Did I?
You did. What do we got? Ugh, not quite.
Thanks. Oh, my dray's just really limpy.
Catfish. Glorious. It actually ate it. That's funny. That back treble hook.
Yeah, I hate touching these things too.
Why?
I don't know.
That's how you pick them up.
Yeah,
You fold down the barb on the back.
Spine.
You grab between the two little breaker shoulders, and you can hold up any catfish.
Oh,
did I just teach you something?
You did. Look at those whiskers. Side shot?
I'm going to.
Look at that treble hook, kid.
Little, big, what do we got? Little. Oh, there's a fishy. There's a fishy. Yeah. You're good. Come on. He's a shorty. Oh yeah, 14. That looks like a caddy.
Good net job, it just came out. And I still got my mini.
The baby.
It's just, but it hit hard. It's like, hello. Down the stinger again. It's hard. It's like a catfish. Oh, that's deeper.
Yep. Ah, not even worth the net.
I got it wet anyway.
There's a fish. That one's got some weight. Thank you, sir. Yeah, that one's a short. Well, you ate it. You ate the actual hook. Ate the actual hook. Yep. Oh yeah, 13 and a half. Come on. There you go. Alright, what do I got?
You got one?
Yeah. Coming up. Yeah.
That looks like it.
I don't think so.
No?
14. Trailer hook went for the win.
Oh, it's a dink. Oh boy.
Ready?
Yep. That's got some weight to her, huh?
Yep. Ooh, yeah, that's a keeper.
Yeah!
Woo!
No doubt 15. That's 17? 17 and a half.
17. 17 and a quarter.
Trey is just like this. Yep, 17. Yeah. I heard he's walleye. Walleye. We caught a few.
That one's nice. I don't know if it's a keeper though. Your snag?
I was. Probably felt way bigger.
Hooked weird.
I thought we were doubled up for a second. Was that going to go 14?
Yeah, it's a shorty.
15 and a half?
It's a shorty, but I'll still measure it for reference. 13 and a half.
Now it'll be like 12 inches, but that's definitely not 12 inches. It's got head shake, it's not hooked sideways. That's a keeper.
That's a walleye.
No, it's a sauger.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a sauger.
Yep. Nice, Trey.
Hoorah! Get you some of that, boys. I think I missed it, actually, and then it hit me again.
Sorry, Colby.
Yeah. I'm bringing it up slowly so it doesn't pop the gas bladder.
Yeah, if I feel the need. You got a stick. No way.
The log returns.
That's the second time. Can you grab it so I don't lose the stinger?
Yeah.
I told you it was coming up, but it wasn't fighting.
The rest of the shit that goes with it?
That's a hell of a stick.
Yeah.
BB stick?
No, I caught a bigger one.
Yeah.
That's
an eyeball one?
No, this is what we're seeing down there. All that is this.
Drums?
Drums.
So that's not.
No, it's not even bait fish. They are kind of a pretty fish though.
Oh, he's got one behind you.
What's a cat? Gotcha. Go right to you, Trey. I'm kind of bring it up slow just in case it's
You think it's got any size to it?
a little bit. Cat.
Catfish? You're not going to net for that one? You might have it.
Nope, I got fish. He's good.
Oh, I forgot that there was a net behind me.
Oh. Nice.
Yeah, it's a keeper.
It's a walleye.
It is a walleye.
Oh, I saw that mark on it.
So now it's not a keeper, unfortunately.
We'll find out.
That's going to go 16 and a half, I bet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
17 3/4. Not quite.
That's a nice.
That's a beautiful walleye, though.
Or save it.
Net.
Bring them up here. Good.
Trey. Thank you. That's a shorty.
Yep.
Shorty. Shortzilla. Aren't you? Yeah, you're just one big tangle. Oh, not a shorty.
Illegal?
It is 15 and a half.
That's a nice one. Feels like a cat though. Oh, that's a nice one.
Somebody got dinner.
Hell yeah.
We got 5 now?
I got 2 up front, you got 2 there.
I don't like about being single. There you go.
Coming up to you.
Good boy, I was there yesterday.
It's a cat. It's a cat. And
You left me, I went to you.
I think it's a little one, but could be wrong. Yeah. Don't even. Oh, it's a walleye though.
Alright.
gotcha.
Got him?
Yep. Come on up. It's a little bugger. They come in sideways and it feels a lot heavier.
Can you get him this way?
There you go.
Nice pull back. Yeah, I would have dropped my rod if I thought for sure he was keeping him. He looked short to me, but I got T-Rex arms, so I didn't have a whole lot of reach left.
15 and a quarter.
There we go. Jesus Christ. You got him? He's got some wrinkles. That's gonna be cool.
I think it's going to be short too.
Nope, I think it's gonna be there.
If that's legal.
That's pushing it.
I'd call that legal if it were me. Yeah, you're legal.
Yeah, I'm legal.
No, it's coming.
Uh-oh. No, it's there.
Did it go in the cover?
It did. Shit. I lost it.
That's a bummer.
That was a nice fish too.
Look for it,
This might be a fish here.
Is there one on there still?
There's a fish on this line, Mason. Off. Lost it. There's Mason's haul. Live well 1. Got some nice super sauger in there. There's root. Good eating right there. And Trey and I have a few saugers back here.
3 saugers.
Yeah, 3 in here and Trey's got 1. Pretty awesome, great day of fishing.